The phrase used BMW scares a lot of buyers. People imagine warning lights, expensive repairs, complicated electronics, and surprise bills that cost more than the car itself. But here's the truth mechanics will tell you. Some BMWs are risky. Some are overcomplicated, but some are genuinely solid, durable machines if you know which ones to choose. In this video, we're looking at 6 reliable BMW models that are different from the usual internet lists. Cars that can be bought, used, and owned without constant financial stress. These aren't hype cars. They aren't the obvious enthusiast picks. They are smart choices. Let's start. Number 6. BMW E82. The BMW E82 1 Series in 128i form is one of the most underrated, reliable BMWs of the last 20 years. Most people talk about the turbocharged 135i, but mechanics often recommend the naturally aspirated 128i instead. Why? N52 inline-6 engine rate, no turbocharger complexity, compact, lightweight platform, less electronic load than larger BMWs. The 128i keeps things simple. It delivers classic rear-wheel drive balance without the stress of high-boost performance tuning. Common issues like water pumps and oil leaks are predictable and manageable. Because it's not heavily hyped, prices remain reasonable, making it one of the smartest small BMW purchases available used. Number 5. BMW F30. The BMW F33 series equipped with the B48 turbo 4-cylinder is another strong modern option. Early turbo BMWs had mixed reputations, but the B48 engine marked a serious improvement in reliability and refinement. Mechanics often say, if maintained properly, the B48 is much safer than older turbo 4s. Why it works? Strong modular engine design, improved timing system, efficient turbo integration, good fuel economy. It's modern enough to feel current, but old enough now to be affordable in the used market. For buyers who want something newer without jumping into risky territory, the F33 130i is a surprisingly solid option. Number 4. BMW E53 X5. The BMW E53 X5 with the 3 inline-6 is one of BMW's most durable early SUVs. Avoid the complex V8 trim's mechanics, consistently recommend the naturally aspirated 6-cylinder version. Why? Proven M54 engine, strong drivetrain, simple rugged construction, easier maintenance than later X5 generations. Yes, it's older, but that's also its advantage: fewer complex electronic systems and more mechanical simplicity. A well-maintained E53 3.0i can easily provide long-term reliability at a very affordable purchase price. Number 3. BMW E87. The BMW E87 1 Series is often overlooked, especially in markets where it wasn't heavily marketed. But from a mechanics perspective, the naturally aspirated inline-6 versions are extremely solid. What makes it attractive? Lightweight platform, proven engine options, minimal overcomplication, strong driving dynamics. Because it doesn't carry the prestige of a 5 or 7 Series, prices remain low, and that makes it a financially smart entry into BMW ownership. Number 2. BMW E38. The BMW E38 7 Series is usually seen as a luxury risk, but mechanics often clarify something important. The 6-cylinder versions are far safer than the V8. When maintained properly, the inline-6 E38 models offer strong engine longevity, overbuilt chassis, classic BMW build quality, stable long-distance comfort. It's a luxury car, yes, but without the extreme complexity of modern flagship sedans. Clean examples are becoming harder to find, but they remain affordable relative to their engineering quality. Number 1. BMW F25 X3. At the top is the BMW F25 X3, specifically early xDrive 2, 8i models with the naturally aspirated N52. Why this one? Because it combines practical SUV space, proven inline-6 reliability, modern safety features, manageable ownership costs. The F25 is newer and safer than older SUVs, but still simple enough in N52 form to avoid major turbo complexity. Mechanics frequently recommend this model to buyers who want a daily family SUV with BMW driving character but without financial chaos. It's practical, it's comfortable, and in the right configuration, it's durable. Final thoughts. These 6 models share something important. They avoid overcomplicated high-performance trims. They focus on naturally aspirated or improved generation engines. They prioritize proven engineering over marketing hype. The biggest mistake used BMW buyers make is chasing horsepower instead of reliability. Mechanics don't recommend the fastest versions. They recommend the smartest ones. BMW can absolutely be affordable, but only if you choose the right engine. Avoid neglected examples. Follow maintenance schedules. Don't chase high-risk trims. The 6 models in this list represent alternative choices, not the usual YouTube recommendations, but realistic, mechanically sound options. Used correctly, they can deliver premium driving feel without draining your finances. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more mechanic-focused BMW buying guides. Comment below, which of these BMW models would you actually buy? And if you want the opposite list, 6 BMWs that will destroy your wallet, let me know. See you in the next video.